Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Kelya modhoku. This is an easy snack prepared with banana. Now modhoku is a very common dish prepared in Konkani homes. It is prepared out of rice flour, ripe banana and jaggery. It is prepared during Ganesh Chaturthi day as an offering to Lord Ganesha as well as for Ganesh Puja. We Konkanis believe that Lord Ganesha was very fond of eating modhoku and goddess Parvati used to prepare and give it to him. It is also an essential ingredient in the Nivedya of Ganapati Homa. It is liked by young and old alike. It can be had as a 4 o'clock dish along with tea or coffee. You can also give it as 4 o'clock snack to your tired and hungry children coming after school. It is a yummy and healthy snack. The traditional method of preparation uses raw rice instead of rice flour. Now coming to the ingredients. You need 1 cup rice flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons grated jaggery or as per your sweetness level, 1 ripe banana, can use Nyalipuvan or Palayam Garden variety banana, a pinch of salt and water as required, oil for frying. Wash, peel and cut the banana. Grind the banana along with grated jaggery into a smooth paste in a mixer. Usually bananas are mashed with hands, but chances of getting lumps is more. To avoid that, I have used a mixer grinder. Now add rice flour, salt and little water to the mixture jar. Remember, while grinding the banana and jaggery, water would have oozed out, so be careful while adding water in this step. Grind to form a paste. The paste should be wet to touch but should not be too watery. If you feel it is watery, add more rice flour. If you feel it is hard and dry, then add water little by little to loosen it. If you add more water, then oil will be absorbed while frying, and if you add less water, then modhoku will become hard. Heat oil in a kadai for deep frying. Use medium or low flame. Drop small ball-shaped pieces of modhoku paste into the hot oil. Now you would have known what consistency your batter should be. You should be able to drop it in oil. Roast till golden brown color. Turn over the modhoku in between while frying. Remove oil and drain over kitchen. Remove from oil and drain over kitchen towel. Your modhoku is ready to be served. Serve warm. You can use wheat flour also for preparation of this modhoku. For this, you have to take 1/4:1 ratio of wheat and rice flour. Always use medium or low flame so that the inside also gets cooked. Do not make the batter watery. So thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.